Kunal, so what are your picks for our viewers today then?
Suggest a couple of offbeat themes in the market. So I'm suggesting two buy calls, but as I said, it's more of offbeat theme. First one is from the pharma pack. It's about Apollo Hospital. Apparently this stock is making fresh swing highs for itself. And the best part about the market is that not all sectors and all stocks are the ones which are dropping down significantly. There are still some sectors and stocks which are showing signs of resilience. Pharma, of course, being one of them. So would suggest to buy Apollo Hospital. The fact that the stock is confirming a swing breakout for itself. Targets to be kept at approximately 3,250, 3,300 range, and stop loss could be kept at 3,050 mark. The second one is again offbeat theme. It's about MCX. Now on the gold chart, in fact, last week or the week prior to that, I had done a chart buster segment on gold, mentioning that how this asset class is nearing a bottom, a multi-month, multi-week bottom, and could be in for a stronger recovery. We've seen gold prices rallying from 43,500, 43,000 to 47,500 on the INR terms. Now, in that sense, I would expect many of these gold-related stocks as well to try and pick up pace. Would suggest the ban MCX in that same aspect. The fact that the stock has already gone through a more than a 20% correction makes it a good risk reward to enter at these levels. So would suggest a buy. Targets to be kept at approximately 1575, 1580 range, and stop loss at 1455.
All right, Vijay Chopra is joining us as well. Vijay, good morning to you. Thanks so much for joining in. Very quickly, could you take us through the high risk and low risk ideas that you have, and then we'll launch the conversation that we've set up for our viewers, which is on the large private sector banks.
Good morning. I think that no point of being in the high risk ideas when the markets are volatile and we are seeing already a 400 point downside on the Nifty. On such a day, there's no point of unnecessarily, jumping into high risk ideas. But again, I would recommend three stocks today. My first call would be a buy call on Infi, which is showing a lot of resilience, and from the downsides of 1338, it's trading at about 1357. I think that this stock can go up, and my target for Infi is 1440, 1450. So there's almost a 90 to 100 rupees upside from here. My second recommendation would be again a buy call on Cipla. So this stock, in the midst of this mayhem, it is showing a lot of resilience, a lot of strength. Presently, the futures, the cash is at 944. It could be bought for a target of 1,000. And I think that Cipla, which is a market leader in the pulmonary space and is also a very major, pharma behemoth of our country, is well placed to ride the tide. So Cipla can be bought into. And my final recommendation would be a buy call on Glenmark. Although the stock seemingly is in red today, trading at 562 odd. But I think that this stock can also head to 600. So Glenmark is also a buy call from my side. So I would recommend all these three conservative companies as of now, IT and pharma. And it's better to conserve cash because, when we see markets crashing and, I still feel that, there might be a level of 13,500, 13,600, which we might see in the coming days because this pandemic can go haywire and can spoil the sentiment as of now. So I would say that better to keep cash in hand or be in the conservative side. So no point of unnecessarily punting and getting into high risk ideas.